Come to garden bamboo plants. Bamboos are fantastic natural screens. They are fast growing, they give you the effect very quickly. But as they get older, they do thin out. His Phalastasis aurea screen is thinning. What happened was we got some new growth this year, but the number of new shoots growing back is not as many as those that are dying. There are lots of brown stems than green stems, showing that this is an old grove and it's thinning fast. What I'll do now is to fill in those gaps. I propagated some bamboo rhizome cuttings last year. If you haven't watched the video updates of the bamboo from propagating medium to the holding pots, I'd recommend you watching it if you want to propagate your own bamboos. But that's what happened. I knew we had gaps that needed filling, so propagated them. It took 1 year, and now they're ready for planting. This will go in there. It's wide enough to take the whole plant. Okay. So that will sit there nicely like that. There, that's the first bamboo planted. I am now preparing the hole for the second bamboo plant. The hole is wide enough to take this bamboo. That'll fit perfectly in there. So that's the second bamboo planted. It's very important to keep the roots intact when taking a potted plant out of the holding pot. Firstly, ensure that the plant is well secured. Then lift it carefully up without destroying the new tips and pull the pot out. In that way, the soil will remain intact and the plant will stay as a whole when you plant it. The case where you have a big potted plant, you will definitely need help to remove the plant from the pot before planting. So yes, definitely get help. The new bamboo will go really well with the existing screen. The bamboo Phalastasis vivax aristocrata is a fantastic tall evergreen big screen. So happy with the way it's going and can't wait for next year. Just show you how many bamboos are planted. There's one right here. That will cover this gap all the way to the top. And there's a nice new one here. That's two. So that's the third one right here. This will do a really good job to cover the gaps here. So if you have a bamboo screen that is thinning out, you can replace it with new ones. There's the fourth one here to cover this gap. Fifth and sixth one. So I've planted 6 Phalastasis vivax aristocrata. They are the tall, massive bamboos, timber bamboos. They will cover this gap nicely. But the ones that we have earlier, Phalastasis aurea, fish pole bamboo, also called the golden bamboo. I did a massive work since the morning, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome. That's the work for today, all done. While I was planting the bamboo screen, the gardener's best friend came around. Probably not to say hello, but to get itself some meals. And in fact, it did.